Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a part 3. It's a series of 32 or 31, I don't know. I might include the crack and goal horn. So if you didn't know, I'm doing goal horns, reacting to them. And so, I thought it'd be a good idea to react to them. I already made 2 videos. One was the Bruins and one was the Ducks. It's gonna hit YouTube when I start to upload it. As you know, I did change a bit. I did have screen record, and I just found it, and it's very helpful, so I can get more views and subscribe, and maybe you guys will love these videos. I'm gonna try to upload once every 2 days, I don't know. But I'm going to try my best. I won't do like an every Friday at 4:05 p.m. Not like that. No, I won't be telling that. I'll just make videos random. Sometimes I'll make 4 videos in a day. Maybe 4 videos every month. I have no idea. But we're going to kick off with the Arizona Coyotes. This is part 3. Here we go. Oh, sorry. I honestly like this goal horn. It's pretty cool. It represents Arizona very well. The Coyotes are a very good team right now. In the qualifiers, they're doing very, very well against the Predators. But I think this goal horn it's close to the Ducks. I think this is going to go in 9 or 8. I love the song. Alright, I love that song. I don't know what it is, so like I said in the Anaheim Ducks video, comment down below if you know what the song is called, and I'll look it up. Thank you. These are short videos. Maybe I'll bring back the NHL 18 gameplays, but for now, I want to stick to watching goal horns and try to get more views and entertain you guys. So I will see you in the next video dropping today. I have no idea. The next one will be the last video for today. I will see you guys later. Bye. Also, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you, and bye-bye.